Today Tuesday, May 21st. Today Tuesday, May 21st, 2024. Help me get you 500 million subscribers on YouTube. Please, please, please. I'm begging y'all. I'd do anything. I'd subscribe back 100%. Blow this video up. I don't like getting down arrows on my views and watch time arrows. Get my watch time arrows and views. Have the green arrow button. Have the up button that's green, not the gray down button. Not the gray down arrow. Not the gray down arrow. The green up arrow on my watch time arrows and views. On this video of cats. Like, subscribe, and follow. And go to YouTube and if you listen on this video. Alternate content, I'll head on no, because everything in this video is 100% real. It's not AI, it's not fake. Everything in this video is 100% real. Y'all share this video with your friends and family. Comment down below and get this video to 1 million views. Blow up the views and the watch time hours in my history on my YouTube video. Get the arrow up button. The arrow up button. Have that being green on the views and watch time hours. Please guys, I don't like seeing that down arrow with the gray. I'll do anything. Help me get you 500 million subscribers. If y'all still watching the video, please watch all the way through into the end. Please, I'm begging y'all. I'll do anything so I can have to mention watch time hours and views both. All you cat lovers, look, there's a cat. There's a cat, Casper. We got 2 cats, Baby and Casper. Casper's a boy, Baby's a girl. This is Anthony the Moon Guy. Help me get you 500 million subscribers on YouTube and get this video to 1 million views on YouTube and 10,000 likes and 5,000 comments. Please, I'm begging y'all. If y'all still watching this video, please watch this video all the way through until the end. Please, I'm begging y'all. So I can add some watch time outs and views both. Help me get you 500 and million subscribers on YouTube. Please, please, please. Help me get you 500 and million subscribers on YouTube. Please, please, please. I'm begging y'all. I'd do anything. I'd subscribe back 100%. Like, subscribe, and follow. Please, I'm begging. Today it's Tuesday, May 21st, 2024. Help me get you 500 and million subscribers on YouTube. Please, please, please. I'm begging y'all. I'll do anything. I'd subscribe back 100%. Like, subscribe, and follow. And Google and YouTube, if you're listening on this video, everything in this video is 100% real, not fake. So alternate content over here don't know, because everything in this video is 100% real, not fake. It's not AI. It's 100% real in this video, not fake. And if y'all still watching this video, please watch this video all the way through until the end. Please, I'm begging y'all. So I can have some watch time outs and views both. Get this video to 1 million views. I'm begging y'all. Comment down below and share this video with your friends and family. Please, I'm begging y'all. If y'all still watch this video, please watch this video all the way through until the end. Please, I'm begging y'all. So I can have some watch time outs and views both.
He does. What about that? You plank the whole tater around?
Yeah, I know. This is started producing taters.
Yeah.
Yeah. Taters that they've already sprouted out and everything.
Yeah.
I bought that oven and then it's about 6 rows of them.
Yeah.
If y'all still watching this video, please watch this video all the way through until the end. Please, I'm begging y'all. So I can have so much watch time average and views both.
You got on the ticket. I put a little sign in everybody's yard. These you don't.
Get it. Baby, come on. Y'all still watch on I'm looking for Casper.
You done that before.
Yeah, it's almost the end. I'm looking for Casper. Y'all still watch. Still watch. It's almost the end. Please, I'm begging y'all.
Get back in there. We don't need it.
Hey, hold on. Hey. I'm the ending again. Y'all. It's almost the end. Okay, stay in there. Still watching. Y'all, please. I'm begging you, please. I'm begging y'all to help me get you 500 million subscribers on YouTube. Please, I'm begging y'all. I'll do anything. I'd subscribe back 100%.
I got bacon.
Like, subscribe, and follow. Please, I'm begging.